Of late, co-working spaces have been the buzzword in the entrepreneur world. Co-working spaces not only is helping entrepreneurs across the globe, not just in the pulling up of physical aspects, but also helping in the a lot of collaborations and common pool of ideas, exchange of ideas. So it helps entrepreneurs to bump into their peers who are also working in the respective field, who can collaborate and grow together. So 10-15 years back, this concept of co-working space never existed. If you are an entrepreneur, you wanted to start up your own business, all you have to do first thing is find a space, paying your 10 months deposit, paying your monthly rental without even know what kind of space or how big the space should be, paying your maintenance, electricity, rentals, everything month on month. By the time you actually did all this, you used to not only lose your capital, you used to lose your energy, you used to lose your hopes, and finally your dreams. So this was the intention with which we came out with Spacesync.
We at Spacesync are put up in HSR Layout, which is one of the prime locations in Bangalore for all the IT companies. Apart from providing co-working spaces, we also provide CA facilities and IT and hardware services.
Now Spacesync, what we realized is we didn't want any of the budding ideas focusing in a place where they have to worry about their rentals and the monthly maintenance. So we wanted to cut the cost to the bone as less as possible, like your per seat basis or whatever it is, because for an entrepreneur, their roti kabda makan has been their electricity, internet, and the space, and that's what we're concentrating around to keep the cost as low as possible. But having said that, we didn't want to actually even undermine the basic amenities also. The facilities we provide: projector room, 24 hours power backup, Wi-Fi connectivity, CC surveillance, accounting and taxation service, tech support such as computer rentals, computer repairs and services, any of the accessories, computer accessories. And yes, all these facilities are available 24/7.
We have a range of happy clients who are extremely satisfied with the services that we are offering at the best prices. So come join our Spacesync family and let us grow our businesses together.